Hey, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. Welcome back to this stream, or welcome for the first time to this stream. Yeah, we're building a game called Outranked, which should be the next big hit. I mean, would be nice, but sorry, there's a wire that's not sitting nicely. Yes, now it is. So it's like it's a multiplayer game for playing with friends, mostly, or like colleagues, and for that could support up to games of 40 people in the end. But for now, we're just working on a 20-player version first, which is already quite something, I would say. So there's a lot of technical things that we have to manage here, and a couple of that are actually things that I'm currently struggling with a little bit which is just I moved my Unity project from one drive to another drive, and it has to I think I have to re-import them because something has gone wrong with the simulator again. Well, let's just get into it. Let's see if there's a few people here already. Hi there. So yeah, let's get into it. These things, they're like weird things happening here and here as well. Just close the scene view here and put the hierarchy view there, so that this one is also small. But I'm thinking that yes, I'm getting a lot of different problems here, which means I'm afraid I'm going to have to re-import some. This one is not correct anymore, actually. Remove from there, unpin, and here unpin. I put it on my, I have a whole SSD here, which I said last time I didn't even use that, so why? And actually it's easier if I just pin those here, 2 and 3. There we go. So I'm going to delete these library things here and here. That's a shame, but they should be gone now. Yes, I have to re-import all that. That's gonna take quite a while, but unfortunately I didn't notice until just now that I need to do this, because that's gone, because there's yeah, I just thought I'd move the whole project and be be fine, but yeah, I wasn't. So basically what I did, I'll go into the normal project. Did I? Yeah, no. So I'll go to the normal project here, like the first thingy. Then also I'll turn this on. Also there's a real-time sync, which I did change up so it syncs to the new folders. I was moving something else as well. I just continue that. And meanwhile, my computer should be working quite hard here. I'll actually cancel. I'll pause that for a while. Right. So what I fixed between these streams, since the last stream, I didn't have a stream on Thursday, so that's since last Tuesday. I finished the player like team selection thing. So let me go there. Oh, I should just use the resources for that. This one. So it now looks like this. I think it already did kind of. Maybe I changed this a little bit, but what it now actually does is correctly put yourself in the team that you click on. If you click on it again, you're out of that. And then the next thing I need to do is make sure that, like, if enough people are in, then the server will say, yes, this game can launch. If it's not balanced, the game can't launch. If you press random, it will choose randomly. Unless it's not balanced, then it will already balance it out for you. So it will choose the team that has the least people. I think, though, it should also actually just do random, but I'm not sure that that'll help anyone. Let's just test that with actual people. And then what I still need to do is activate the go button, or like ready state button. Let me just make sure that this is behind me. Yes, good. So this actually works now. So if as soon as these are done re-importing everything, it goes really fast now because it's on the SSD. That is something at least. Once that's done, I can show that. But what I'm gonna just do now is just continue with the spawning logic. So basically, in this room, once the team is picked, I could just actually continue that already. I'll go into Visual Studio. Why is Visual Studio not opening? Ah, well, somehow I didn't click rightly or something. Actually, it's like what I didn't click right, but that's actually weird in English. Now that I think of it, I would say rightly, but I didn't click right. Should not think about it too much, I guess. Is it not loading the project properly? Oh, it is. Okay, it's just slow because there's so much going on here. All right. That'll take a while. Now, what I did, first thing is the server sets the number of teams. There's one thing still going on, which I'm not sure, I shouldn't do that now, but there's sometimes when the player requests a new room, it does get the code and it does instance, but it doesn't open the team picker. But I'm not sure which part that is. It's probably this set teams, but it's weird. Team picker set active, then this picker is activated, and then there's a team picked. I should remove this debug thing. And then it sends to the server. It sends the picked from this player, and then that means that the server gets this, it adds the player to a team, and then sends to the others. Which might actually not totally work. Let me make a note here. Sync up with entering player. I think that doesn't properly work right now because it, depending on the number of times a player has tapped a certain team, it will actually join or unjoin. Let's just call it unjoin. How's that going? Well. Let's see. So then this part, it adds to the team players and to the players in team. Players in team is here. Player teams. And then I also have to do the player leaving thing. True. Teams confirmed. That's not called anymore, is it? No. Alright, so basically you have to go on enabling the ready, and then actually the server has to send this one. Can I just see? Yeah, no, it's not used anywhere else. All right. So right now we've got the it's so slow. All right. So what I'm gonna do is enable that button here, but I'm also gonna check with the server if it's actually go to start or not. So I'm thinking we need like a countdown. Once everybody's in, it will start, and that needs to be, I think, in the middle here. So I'm gonna make some room there. Exit random. Let's put random a little bit further to the left. -60 seems fine. And the ready button could even go a little bit more to the right. And then in between there needs to be like a countdown. I think, yeah, here. Countdown. A label. And that says 3. And that's in my actual bold is a bit much. Semi-bold, semi-bold. And that can just be fully white. And do I have a... Oh, okay. Nope. That one. Can I? Alright, I can't. I don't know what's happening here. Ah, there we go. Weird. That material is double. I'll make the same for semi-bold. Duplicate. And then outlined. I want the countdown label to have the outlined material. The outlined material needs to have an outline here. 1, 1. Yes, that's better. Alright. And also, that doesn't help, does it? No, because of the that helps. But maybe, yeah, no, that's good. Why not? It's good enough. That should do it. All right, so 3, 2, 1, etc. The label can have a little bit larger font. So 24 is good. And then why is it like that? Oh, it has some margins? No, it doesn't. Weird. Alright, let me just do that. Alright, so there will be a countdown for the game starting. Maybe it should be a little bit... Oh, no. It should be a little bit more to the... Yes. Come on. Ah, there we go. To the right. So next to this button. Thinking this should just be like it was. Yeah. So now this label has to go from this symbol to this symbol when it's ready. So basically it should be this first, and when it's ready it should change color. The button should go to interactable, but the label should also go to full alpha. I should therefore know the old color. Let me see, it's quite a lot here. Ready button, ready label, got them already. Ready label color. I should not sneeze on stream. Yes, there we go. It sounds like they're there. Yes. That's 3, that's 2. 3's there. Alright. Cool. So hopefully this will now work again. Yes, it does. Good. I can just pick an iPhone 6 again, rotate it, open the game client scene, same here. Simulator, iPhone 6 as our smallest device, and then go to something that amounts to 50 because it looks better. Same here, scale 50, yes, there we go. Alright, ski. Nice. Now I just need to see those buttons, which kind of is impossible with this scale, but I'll do it like this. Alright. Now I can also test it. So let me just finish this bit quickly. Let's see. So the server has to tell, yeah, so add player to team will send that, but if I'm on server here and the number of players is balanced and a minimum of 2 per team, then it can say that it's ready to start. Do we want to have another button that says start anyway? No, because there's nobody who can be authoritative on that. Though actually, yes, if everybody says they're ready, we could just start. It doesn't really, it's not really up for the server to decide if the teams are not balanced enough. Maybe. Well, let's just test that later. So basically now here I can check. I have this. I've used this. That was a debug thing. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to go through the teams here and check if they're balanced, and just make the X change into a check mark. So going to go through all the teams. So let's see. How will I easily check the difference between 4, possibly 4? Let's think. It could be just going through all the teams. What's that? Teams. And this is only if I'm on the server. if I'm on the server, I'm going to check all the teams and check the counts. So I'm going to keep a min members and a max members. Min members is now 0. Max members is like something too high that can never be. And then I go to min members is the minimum number of members so I should do maximum of minimum members that I have at that point, or that's not true. Hold on. Nonsense. Minimum members should start at 11, the least, and the max should start at 0. What's going on here? Oh, I didn't use that. And the team players I dot count, and the same goes for max members is the maximum of what's then the maximum and the number. So this way I get in min I get the lowest one, and in max I get the highest one. Then I want to check, so if the minimum number of members is bigger than 1 and the minimum number of members is less, let's say max members minus minimum members is the difference between those two is less than 2, then I will send something, and that is not teams confirmed, but I'm just gonna copy this one to get a new one. Balanced teams. Do I need to do this on the server? Actually, no, I don't. This is nonsense. I only need to do this if not on the server, because it's just a UI thing. Oh, damn. I wanted this label text, that actually this. Actually that could be just the result. So ready label dot text will be, if this is true, then it will be, oh actually no, I have to do multiple things, too bad. Ready label dot text is gonna be is that ready, or yeah, that's ready, and otherwise it will be the D version, and then the, okay, let's say the ready button dot interactable is true. No, that's actually doesn't matter. Yeah, no, this is just the only thing there, except that I'm going to make this one be green. Let's see if that actually works. And then the other one will be red. Wow. Let me see if it's actually the correct way of doing it. I think so. Yeah. All right. Then that's one phase, and the other phase is actually the server's side, and that is actually if you do press the confirm thing and it's not doing anything yet. The ready button countdown label should actually still be hidden. The ready button is not interactable, but once it is, it has to have an onclick, and that goes to game logic, and then something new we're gonna make now. The one that says I'm ready. Ready. Alright, so this is actually the lobby logic. Maybe we should split that. But for now I'll keep to this. Ready pressed means that, well, I'm ready. Now I'm confused about what I wanted myself. So that thingy should not be, that should be whether I'm ready. And if this is interactable, then this one should go to full. But then the button should still be like, oh, actually something like that. That should be good. And then the label should actually show the that one, but then in a dark color. Grayish. Maybe close to the color that thing is actually. Ooh, that's ouch. And that's more ouch. It's too bright. Something like that. And then it should change to, that's actually what it should do. So I'm not really sure where how I will show the not being balanced. Maybe it should just be a warning. Because this one should be showing that. Or the super green version, so that's ready. Let's say the ready button goes to that, and the label goes to full on green. Yeah, this would be when you're ready. I think this is better. Something like this is better. Right. So ready label, ready button color is going to be. I'm going to save that color. Because the ready button full color should actually be something I serialize so I can pick it. doing too much UI again. I wanted to spawn stuff. I should still spawn stuff. Basically, if I'm in a team now, then I should have the... Okay, so this bit is about seeing if teams are balanced. And then the first bit should be about add change ready button interactability. Yes. Ready button should be on if I am actually in a team. So what's my new thing? If I'm in a team, then I'm added. That's here. So basically team same thing there. There's a bit of code duplication there. I'm not really happy about that. Let's say joined that. That's better. All right. If I joined instead of left a team, then I will change the button to interactable, and otherwise I will change it to non-interactable. So this can just, oh no, I have to do multiple things again. So let's say the ready button will be interactable. Now actually that can still be same. Ready button will be interactable if I have joined, and otherwise it will not. And also the color normal color cannot be assigned. Ugh. All right, so I'll change. No. That's silly. I can also... No, I can't do that. I will make a color block thing then. Jeez. Color can't be null, of course. Color block. Yes. Color block. Ready button colors. I can actually move that one. And then color block ready button colors. Ready. No, I will actually not remove that one. That's better. On awake or start. Ready button color is the ready buttons colors dot normal color. All right, and then here ready button colors dot normal color will be the ready button full color, and then I'll assign it ready button dot colors will be ready button colors. Yes. And then this will be, if joined, it will be ready button full color. Whoops, ready button full color, and otherwise it will be ready button color. Then the text ready label is that, and then we'll say here, that's the only change, is it? Yes. That's not gonna work. No. Oops. And then is that more work? Yeah, no, that's more. 2 literals is better. This gonna be joined. If joined, then it will be the full green, and otherwise it will be that. So it's the color of the button, the color of the label. Then I'm just the text of the label. Then the ready label dot color should just be the ready label color or white. That's one I need to add. Again, I did that already. Label, and then I have to save this thing. All right. So basically now once I've joined the team, it'll change to interactable green with a nice green thing. If not, and then it's not interactable. Joined. Oh no, true. This is different. This one should be, hold on. This thing, this bit should be if I joined or not. This bit is true, that's for the interactability, but the other one is if ready is pressed. So that is ready. So pick the team, and it's simply ready to start. Let's call it that. So ready pressed, I'll say ready to start will change, but only when I hear back from the server. So I'll have to do a thing like this again, where is it? Like this. So I'm gonna say to the server, let me just pick one, and I'll say ready state changed, and that's ready state changed for a specific player. Did I say player ID before? Or just keep my naming consistent? Yes, player ID, and then ready. So I'm gonna generate that so that we have it. So already pressed, I'm going to send to the server. Let's just copy that because that's quicker. Same thing with state changes actually, but okay. Ready state changed for this player into ready to start not. So if I wasn't ready to start, I will be ready to start in the other way around. Then here I'm gonna do 2 things. If I'm on server, on server, then I'm gonna send that thing. But if I'm not on server, they're ready to start. Yeah, it's gonna be fine. Ready to start will be the ready state, but then this needs to change for everyone. I think I'll do that later. probably off stream, just put like check marks next to the people who are ready. So to do check marks for ready players. And this is only locally now, because it's sending. Oh yeah, no. This is only for the player itself. If player ID is the player itself, which would be TN manager dot player ID, then this is for myself. So this to do thing counts for the other players. This would be ready. So if I'm ready, then it will be fully bright and the button will be bright, yes. And also I have to send this to the... Okay, so I have to keep a list of players who are ready. I might as well just do that for everyone because I need to have those ticks anyway. So let's just do that. I've got a list of team players and of player teams already. So what I need is a that's just a dictionary again of ints with pools, players, player ready. Yeah, players ready. All right, let's initialize that somewhere over here. Players are ready. Read. And let's make sure that we have them. So as soon as a player's added to a team here, hold on, it's the same as players ready. Yeah. Player teams. Yes, player teams. Add player ID with false. Blah, players ready. And also, I'm gonna remove it here. Players ready. Also remove that player ID. Okay, so then it's in there and I can actually check if they're ready. So then I will actually keep that. So players ready. Oh, hold on. That's not only in the server, that's everywhere. Players ready, player ID. It should already be in there, so no problems there. If it's a server, then it will actually send it to everyone. Yeah, so blah. And this bit that I did here as well, just copying that. No, actually, just copying this one, that's quicker. To the others. Oh, target others saved. It will send the player ID that I got, and it will send the ready that I got. Yeah, makes sense. Only when the server knows, then you actually get the ready, which means that the player can actually. Is that true? Yeah, then the check mark is turned on. If I click it again, the check mark is turned off. Let's try that. Ready pressed. Yeah, ready pressed doesn't have a thingy. Interactive world there, off. Then the ready label is going back to something like that. Then the game logic needs the references. ready button full color. Let me just copy this color and see about that full color, which I wanted, something like this. I'll put it there, and then is it actually still a bit much? Yes, that's better. Full color. Not paste, this one. The full color, yeah. Then ready button, ready, and then also only the ready button needs its function. Ready pressed. All right, that should do it. Let me first now see if there's something weird going on still in the client scene. No, the game test. No overrides. Okay, well, I'll just keep it like this. I will go back to the server scene and run this. See if this has synced. Did it? It seems to have, because this is doing something. Nice. Alright, so this is a very handy add-on for Unity, by the way, for debugging purposes. Alright. There's a client. Host game. Ah, come on, it does that again, huh? FHQL, that's funny. There we go. And what I also did off stream is, for testing purposes, once a game is joined, it will copy the game ID to the clipboard. Actually, not so bad for other situations as well. And if you have one on the clipboard, then it will automatically fill it in here. So now I've joined. So basically, this is what I did off stream. And now you can see that this is actually also working, but this isn't. It should still check if it's me. That's weird. But if I press this, then that works. But the color block doesn't. Interesting. Oh, I didn't copy it. Yes. Alright, so two things that are not right yet. I should actually have this one be a bit smaller as well, so I can see everything. Yes. So oh, this thing is not good. Okay, so I'm checking here if it's myself, right? So that's where they get their colors. So basically that is not the correct way. It is sending the player ID. Let me just quickly print those IDs. And also the color block wasn't copied. No, it was not. Ready button colors. There. Yeah, ready button colors would be ready button dot colors. Yes. So that should be better. Go. Oh man, it does that again. So there's this little bug that I have to figure out what its problem is. Like, first game I host somehow doesn't enable the team picking UI. Now, there we go, join. That one goes on, the other one too. That's so weird though. Okay, so let's see. Oh. Console Pro. Alright, so basically it's not even going there. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, yes. Now I know. So that one changes nicely. The other one does not. This is good. So basically that does, whoa, ba-boom. Item with the same key has already been added. That is insane, because it hadn't. That's weird. Well, after that happens, everything goes to hell everyone anyway. What happened there though? Come on. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, they're off, yeah. Here. So, an item with the same key has already been added. That's... Where is that? In 190, okay. Let's go there. 190, players ready, add player ID. Oh, is that true though? That's weird. Because I could swear that here I'm removing it. Oh, that's only player teams. Let me just only add this. If players ready, if it doesn't contain the player ID already. Okay, that's one thing, but the other thing is that, of course, when adding a thing here, joined, yes. This thing, if it's not on server, it should still check if the player who joined is actually myself. That is if player ID. Hey, hello Aaron, nice to see you. It's a bit late in the stream. I'm not gonna go on super long today, but I'm getting somewhere here. But I was actually gonna spawn maybe after this. Yeah, probably after this. I'm gonna spawn a player based on the team. Player ID is the actual my own player ID. That's where I wanna change the ready label. All right. Yes, that should work better. There. All right, let's see. Whoa. I did not click create room though there. That's weird. Huh. there we go. So now I know that there's a different problem. Okay, good to know. Join. Alright, so there, that works. Weirdly enough, the names are still not synced, but and that is local now, so that's good. Now this one can say I'm ready. Still have to check those colors. Now oh, those colors are nice. It's just selected colors should not be used there. Or should be the same as... Ah, cool. I should make the selected color the same as the unselected color. Then, as soon as I change team, that's one other thing, it should change back its ready state. Ah, this is just taking a little bit more time than I hoped. Because if it's me and I didn't join, if I didn't join, but that means I left, and also I'm not ready, I was ready to start, then I should send the ready message again. Actually, here, ready state changed to, oh yeah, I could just do ready pressed. Because that is actually true. Then the other thing was the color of the button. No, hold on, that was here, right? Oh, that is, no, that's not here. That's when I do this, yeah. Normal color and the selected color as well. Yes. Oh, that's still running. No, don't. Should not be still running. Oh no. Oh no. Is my microphone a bit soft? I think so. Today. Maybe I'm thinking. Yeah. Oh no, it's good. Alright. I thought that Microsoft Teams had screwed up my microphone volume again. But apparently it's good. Let's see. That is going wrong. Alright, let me just kill that then. Which one is it? Outranked 3. Outranked, that one. Boom. Alas. Should not do that. Hopefully it will go on quickly. Well, I mean, I will still continue for a little bit. I hope to actually get to the point where I'm spawning a player just right after this, because as soon as I have confirmed, I'm not gonna wait until there's enough players right now. I mean, that's something that the server should do in the end, but while in the testing debug mode, actually, it should not wait for at least 2v2, which the game, of course, should usually be. Well, I'm saying of course, but maybe it's not that automatically natural for people here, but yes, the game should be a minimum of 2v2. Here we go. I did already change all this, so yeah, I should be ready to move. Let's see, go. Why is this actually set to? 69. Can be anything. Yes, so basically that one and that one need to be synced as well now. They should be. Alright. Oh, that one also screws up. Alright. Host new game. There we go. And on the other client, join. So, okay, so I've said I'm ready, and then I'm going out. This didn't really change color, did it? That's weird. It changed, but to a gray that I didn't see before. Oh, actually that is the same if I just drop out, but that's good. So I'm saying I'm ready. I'm saying I'm ready. I'm moving team. Oh, then it doesn't stop me. That's weird. Oh, because I joined that one. That should actually change my ready state as well, but for the rest of it, it's fine now. That's looking good. Ready to test with actual people. Yes, so what am I doing wrong there? What was I saying? Like if the player changes teams, then it should not. Actually, whenever I change my own team, the ready to start should go off. Yes, that's it. Alright, so next up, spawning. I will commit this, and then I will actually spawn the player now, so that there's no like base starting position yet, but that's just going to be next, and hopefully we'll have the first level also built soon with a foresty kind of thing. This is a team select working. Finishes team select logic with ready button. Gonna do that. Oh, the app version, I didn't even put that in. That's actually handy to do right away, maybe. In the game room prefab, I'll add a little bitty game version thingy. That should be in the lower left. Lower left corner, and it should show the game's current version. And let's put it a little bit out of the corner. Yep. Alright, so 8 might still be a little big even. Commissioner outlined, yeah, fine. So that's not room code, but version, app version, there we go. That's what it will show. That one actually should be further outside. Yes, that's good. Okie dokie. Oh yeah, I'm just, yeah. Finishes game. All fixed. And commit. All right, so let's test this, and then I'll spawn a player, and that would be it. That's all right. 0.1.44. Host new game. Oh yeah, it does show the right version number, but it does not. That's weird. I should look into that. There we go. And join. All right, so ready, change, not ready anymore. Cool. Yeah, this is great. So basically, once both have said ready, now the server should spawn, like start the game and spawn the players, which I will now just do. There. If everybody has said they're ready, so if I am, let's add player pick team, and set teams. It's below here. Ready, set, change. I should just collapse all these things, by the way. But teams confirmed. That's the thing. That should be called whenever I am on the server and everybody has said ready. So I'm gonna add a to-do already here. Check if number of players is sufficient to start. Balance 2 on server side. Then the balance thing, I've already done that here, but I'm not sure that maybe we should give each player like an opportunity to say, do you really want to start when the teams are not balanced? And if everybody does, then you should start. That's what I'm thinking, so that people can actually play an unbalanced game if they want to. But I'm not sure about that yet. We should test that. So balance 2 on the server side, but then if we have checked that, which we now will skip, we will say that we'll check all the players. Okay, so for each of the players that are in this room, actually. I don't know if I can go through that easily. Player in players. Alright, list of player in the same channel as the client. Oh, cool. Well, that's good. So that's a deprecated. Use get players. Okay. Get players for the current channel. Yeah. So that is channel. Isn't that in here? Like, I thought I had a channel ID in game logic. Oh, that's client. Ah, yeah, no. Client logic dot channel game channel there, and that will be the player. Cool. So yeah, if players ready dot contains key, if it doesn't contain a key for the player's ID, or players ready for the player's player.id is false. So that. Then I will not then I will say something that I'm checking here. Bool already is true, already is false, and break. And then if this didn't pass, then I can say already. So if already, then I can say teams confirmed. Teams confirmed. And then we set the team picker to false and show the cards. That's actually not spawning yet because I have to pick a rank. Oh dear, I was way overestimating what I could do today. Maybe the rank picker is already super finished. I'm thinking it's not, but we'll see. Can I spawn a new game? No, I cannot. So weird. And there we go. Join. Okay, so picking one team, picking the other team, ready and ready. Oh. That's interesting. Requesting card counts. It does say that. So that's nice. Three, what's that? Oh, that's the check marks. Why was I still printing that? There. So teams confirmed. It's a team picker.set active false. Oh, that's actually I should send that. Duh. All right. So teams confirmed, and also the server should still know this. Game started is true. That's on the server, but it is for this game. Yeah. So here the game has started, or yeah, it's actually game started, and then we have a team picker. So for the player itself, that should also set game started to true, and then we can show the team picker. Okay, cool. That should work. Nope. Oh, nice. No, it does work. Weird. Alrighty. Two teams. Alright. That one and that one. Player 2 in that, player 3 in that one. I'm ready? I'm ready. Jeez. That's weird. Okay, let me debug that then. So player Let's put its name down, but I should actually do that as well, but I'm not sure that it saves for both. Saves player preferences for both instances. I'm pretty sure it doesn't. Player name, player ID, not ready. Alright. Yes. So, again, I'm missing something, but whoa, what the hell? Oh, there. God. Again. There we go. Joining here. Ready? Ooh, failed to call, teams confirmed. That is interesting. That is very weird. Because that should not be happening from the client. That's very weird. Okay, let's see what happens there. Teams confirmed should. This is on server. Teams confirmed. Now, let's go to this. Yeah, there's no mix up in the RFC numbers. That's weird. Oh, the server said that. Okay, hold on. Yes. That's dumb. Okay. But it was already sending it when that one's ready, so that's not good. Ready state change is only when ready is pressed. That's strange. Let me debug everything here on the server. Alright. Oh, no. I kept it running again. Jeez. And also, Unity, come on. Don't crash on me when... It should normally just even try... it's trying to recompile everything in while running, which doesn't work. I mean, I've had it working sometimes, but not mostly. Most of the times it doesn't. So I'm gonna have another stream where I'm gonna hopefully say, full of hope, say that the probable outcome of the stream is actually spawning players. That will be next Tuesday, because that won't happen today, unfortunately. There we go. Alright, number 2 and number 3. House new game. No, can't do that. So weird. Join. Bang. Bang. And one is ready. Poof. And then it's as if they were both ready. They do get the right, that's nice, they do get the right team, like this one is red, that one is blue. And this could go away, but... so let's say I'm going to be Assassin, and I'm going to be the 5-star. But that doesn't work yet, because I didn't program that to work, which is why I can't really go and spawn those players. Shouldn't be too much work, but I'm running out of time a little bit. Looks like somebody's already sending, because this didn't really go on. I mean, maybe this whole bit didn't even get called. That's interesting. Let me just see about that. Players. That's a list of players. And then I'm going to say how many. Oh, this is on the server, so it doesn't have client logic.gamechannel. Come on. What am I? An amateur or something? Alright. Game channel is unique to this game. So that is bull. Basically, this thing belongs to a channel. This object belongs to a channel. So, oh, it's the TNO thing. Hold on. Where was I? I'm get players there. TNO.channel ID. Yes, that's the thing I need. So the players for the channel ID that this network object actually is in. Yes, that is better. Oh no. How can I do this twice in like 5 minutes? Oh man. Maybe I'm gonna look into if like there's an option to turn compiling off while it's in play mode. They should do that, right? If somebody here knows this, then please let me know. It's kind of like a just-in-time thing. All right. Here we go with the server. And as a client, I've waited a bit longer now. Maybe that changed this? No, I don't. Okay. So there we go. We got 2 players, 1 and 2. So this one didn't even join yet. That one says player 3 is ready, player 4 is not ready. Well, that is correct. Now they're both not ready. Okay, cool. Player 3 is ready, player 4. Now player 3 is not ready, but player 4 is ready. It doesn't matter because player 3 is not ready. Now player 4 is not ready anymore. Player 4 is ready, player 3. Now both are ready, and now they get the finger rank. Nice. So this logic now works, and should also work when there's more players in the server. Then there's only like the bit that will just get in there once we actually start testing the game, but it should be an option, I think, while in the alpha stage, and then we get to actually pick a rank and face off. But that's quite a lot of progress. Now it's also actually starting the game. So starts the game. Well, yeah, rank. No, rank picking is in the game itself. Yeah, starts the game when all players in the. It's not the lobby. Like a team select screen are ready. Alrighty. Yeah, that's definitely it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I am going to be back on Tuesday with another bit of development for Outranked, and also yeah, I'm pretty sure that I do only need to say click to pick rank, and then there will be a player spawning. Actually, a player should even spawn before picking the rank, so that will definitely be player spawning and interactions in the next stream. So that will be the same time. If you like the stream, please drop a like, follow, subscribe, whatever you can. If you really want to support us, then you can even consider becoming a patron on Patreon. A link is in the description on YouTube and in our profile on Twitch. And as always, I end with a bit of music. This is still the music. We are working on music for Outranked, though. There's a very nice track being composed at this point for the sci-fi level that we'll have. It's a spaceship, space station kind of environment. And I'm also working on the track for the forest arena, which is the other one. So that will be soon, but for now I'm going to end with the music I made for my Ludum Dare a couple months ago. That was League of Ultra-Normal Detectives. I'm also going to leave with everyone that is not in the Discord for Outranked yet or hasn't wishlisted on Steam. Go to the outranked.net, this site, and click the Discord joining link. You can get a beta key there to join the tests, and also wishlist the game on Steam if you can. Then that's it. Like I said, the music is from last Ludum Dare, and it's pretty short. It's called something like Ultra Normal Tension. Yeah. And I'll see you again next Tuesday, same time, same place. Goodbye.